PJ just got the test pipes in. This shit's loud. What do you need, bro? You need some of my oil again?
I got it.
What are you asking for?
You recording me? Put it in there.
Don't put a lot, because I don't even got a lot.
Come on, go the other way.
We got the infamous
Friend the man, and then we got the fucking that shit sounds like a garbage box, but it's pretty.
Beamer.
Man, you just put the test pipes on, let them know. Yeah, so
Yo, $100 test pipes, man. You know, we on that budget shit right now. Selling the cats tomorrow. How much?
oh no, you said we got her.
Word, yeah. I'm about to sell mine too as soon as I get these headers in, guys, for sure. Get some extra money.